Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this puzzle page of the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday, Saturday, November the 4th, 2023. Today is actually Sunday, November the 5th. And I've told you in the Saturday edition, Saturday, Sunday, the weekend edition, we have no additional with extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page of Saturday, and also the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Okay, I've already solved one puzzle, the 2 stars Sudoku, and now it's time for the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 7392. 392. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits, and it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. And between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O. And then between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in this column. Not allowed. 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one. Here no. There no. Then. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Well. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And now. Let me think. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Yeah. Well. Double one, here no, there no. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Then 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 5 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 1s in the last row. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. If I place the fifth 1 here, then we still have 3 O's in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! Finish in 6 minutes. Wow! Slower than the binary. This binary, I need 5 minutes. This one, 6 minutes. But we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I will do the video. So, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF. I also can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.